you're wondering whether Moonpay is safe to use in 2025, the short answer is yes, but with some caution. Let me break it down. Moonpay has really stepped up its security game. They've got PCI DSS 4.0 Level 1 certification, which means they made strict standards for handling payment data. They're also certified with SOC 2 Type 2, ISO 27001, and ISO 27018, which basically means your info is protected and your privacy is respected. They also use AES 256 encryption, which is military grade, so from a technical security standpoint, it's solid. Plus, it's non-custodial, meaning MoonPay doesn't hold your crypto, you get it directly to your wallet. That's a good thing because it means you're always in control of your assets. But, and this is important, there have been mixed user reviews. Some people say their transactions took too long or they didn't get their crypto right away. And others had issues with slow customer support when something went wrong. So even if it's secure, the user experience might not always be smooth. So, to answer the question, is MoonPay safe? Yes, from a security perspective, but it's smart to start small, especially if it's your first time. And always send your crypto to a wallet you own, not an exchange account unless you trust it. Use your own judgment, and like always in crypto, do your own research before dropping big money. That's it. Thank you for watching.